Hi, I'm Apurva Sheth and I'm the editor of Profit Hunter Pro. The economic growth slowed down to 4.5% in September quarter. This is the weakest pace since 2013. This is despite a total cut of 135 basis points in interest rates this year. Now, it's widely expected that the Monetary Policy Committee will reduce interest rates further by 25 basis points in its credit policy scheduled on 5th of December. A fall in interest rates is positive for banks as their cost of borrowing reduces. However, this may not lead to a rally in Bank Nifty. And I'm not saying this based on macroeconomics or fundamentals. I am not an expert in it, but I'm saying this because price action suggests so. So now we will see the weekly price chart of Bank Nifty. So here I have the weekly price chart of Bank Nifty since March 2017. Now as you can see on the charts, it is gradually rising higher. Now I have drawn a rising trend line which you can see out here. So it connects the low of June 2017 to February and March 2018. So this particular line has acted as support in October 2018. Now I have drawn parallels to these lines, and as you can see, this trend line acts as a support as well as resistance at couple of locations. So out here it is acting as resistance, out here it has acted as support, and once again in August and September 2019 it acted as a support. Bank Nifty bounced back from these levels. Now I have drawn a parallel line again, and as you can see it acted as resistance out here. And right now you can see that the Bank Nifty is once again nearing an important resistance level. It is nearing this channel top out here. So anywhere between 32,500 to 33,000 the Bank Nifty could find resistance. Now apart from this, it is also forming a bearish divergence in RSI. So as you can see out here, the RSI, which is a momentum indicator, has formed lower lows, whereas the price or Bank Nifty is forming a higher high. So this acts as a indicator that the uptrend may be falling short, or the uptrend may be slowing down. So in simple terms, this is like a car which is taking a U-turn. Now whenever a car takes a U-turn, it does not do it immediately. It slows down and then takes a U-turn. So similarly, this is the case with Bank Nifty as well. It won't take a U-turn immediately. It gives you an indication, and the bearish divergence in RSI is an indication that the momentum is slowing down. Now apart from all these, there is one more reason which makes me believe that there could be chances of a reversal in Bank Nifty, and the primary reason for that is that it is sprinting for last 8 weeks in a row. Now as you can see out here, you can see all these green candles which are forming since October. So you have seen these are 8 consecutive positive weekly closings. Now such kind of sprint is rarely seen in Bank Nifty, and whenever a marathon runner runs a 100-meter race in 9 or 10 seconds, he obviously needs some rest. So similarly, this is the case with Bank Nifty as well. It has run up quite sharply over the last 8 weeks. It is up almost 15%, and it's probably time for it to take some rest. Now as I said that this is a very rare phenomenon. Since 2010 there have been only 2 instances when Bank Nifty has moved up for 8 consecutive weeks in a row. Now I have the performance of Bank Nifty during the past 2 instances out here in this table. So as you can see in April 2010, so as you can see out here, on the week ending on 1st of April 2010, Bank Nifty closed at a level of 9,507. That was its 8th week of up move. Now the Bank Nifty's returns 2 weeks after this were negative 1.62%. So anyone who had shorted Bank Nifty after its 8th week of rally on the 1st of April, then he could have generated a gain of 1.62%. If someone who would have waited for the 9th week, then he could have made a return of 3.14% in just 1 week. Now, similarly, in November 2014, Bank Nifty was trading at a level of 18,513 on the 28th of November. That was a Friday. So, 1 week after that, Bank Nifty moved up, but on the second week, that is the 10th week, it dropped by 1.15% from this level of 18,513. So anyone who would have shorted the Bank Nifty at the end of 8th week, he would have generated a gain of 1.15% at the end of 10th week. And similarly, if one would have shorted the Bank Nifty on the 9th week, then he would have generated a gain of 2.44% in the 10th week itself. So now we are in the 8th consecutive week of rally. The Bank Nifty futures ended at a level of 32,000 last Friday, and now we are in the 9th week, and the monetary policy is scheduled soon. So now we have to wait and watch what kind of move the Bank Nifty gives after that. The price action suggests that the possibility of a downturn is high. Now, I know I'm saying this with the benefit of hindsight. However, as you just saw, the price action as well as past history suggests that Bank Nifty could fall. So let's keep an eye on Bank Nifty now. And in case if you are trading long in Bank Nifty, then you must remember that the odds are against you. So be cautious. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and in case you did, then please like it. Also share it with your friends and family. I hope they will also enjoy it. So that's all from my part for today. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Thank you.